Guys, this is France King here, and today I'm doing my first unboxing video. Now, I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna unbox the Turks and Caicos flag, and this has like a big flag, a little flag, and a pin from the Turks and Caicos Islands. And that island is owned by the UK, and so yeah, and where I got this, well, my dad recently went on like a cruise vacation there, and he went on a cruise vacation to like Dominican Republic and the Turks and Caicos, and he actually got this from the Turks and Caicos for me because, you know, he knows I like to collect flags, but yeah, they're an island in the Caribbean that are owned by the UK, and yeah. But enough talking. Let's unbox this thing, shall we? All right. Okay, now. Hold on, okay? Okay. Oh. All right. Okay, now. Okay. Oh shit. All right. We got the mini. All right. We got the mini Turks and Caicos Island flag. All right, and now we have the pin. All right, now, and this is the pin. All right, this is the pin. All right, and now time for the big reveal. So let me just put that real quick. Now, and all right. Gosh. All right. And that's the flag. All right, and that's the big flag. All right. So we got this, the mini, and the pin, All right, and so yeah, this is the flag of the Turks and Caicos Island, that's owned by the UK. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. So yeah, bye guys, and stay tuned for more videos.